Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another Dutch Duolingo lesson. This one I'm kind of excited about because, let me switch my screen over here. Word order 1. This is something that has been confusing me, right? Because sentence structure, the word order in general is way different than English. Obviously, you probably know if you speak Dutch and English. If you're new to the videos, we've been going through getting the first crowns. We got actually the first 2 crowns on the first section. And then I've been working on getting the first round of crowns on this section. And then after I finish this section out, I'm not sure if I'll go on to get the first crown on this or if I'll cycle back to the top. I'll probably just decide that when I get to that point. But we're doing this right here. We're going to get the first crown on word order 1. Let's do it. I've been doing some practicing in between also. But I've only been doing the lessons themselves on video. So, all right. So, sie is hier.
Ze is hier.
She is here.
Hij is daar.
He is there. Hij is daar.
Het glas is nu leeg.
Het glas is nu leeg. Nu leeg.
Het glas is nu leeg.
Nu leeg. So the glass is now empty.
Hij draagt nu geen hoed. Hij draagt nu geen hoed. Hij draagt. Hij draagt nu geen hoed.
Nu
geen
geen
hoed.
So he now wears no hat. He is not wearing a hat now. Okay. Close enough.
Je ziet mij soms.
Je ziet mij soms.
Je ziet mij soms.
All right, so you see me?
Mij.
Yeah, sometimes. Got it. Says I'm crushing it. Good deal.
Je bent misschien een eend.
You are. So je bent misschien.
Misschien.
So you are.
Misschien.
You're maybe a duck. You might be a duck. Okay.
Ik ben hier.
Ik ben hier. I am here.
We zien hem daar.
We zien hem daar. So we see them there. No. We see him. We see him there. Got it.
Zijn tas is daar.
Zijn tas is daar. So something coat. No, bag. Yeah. Is there. His bag is there. Sure is.
Hij slaapt misschien.
He might be sleeping. Got it. 10 in a row. Good deal.
Het is hier koud.
It is here koud. So it is very cold. It is
Het is hier koud.
It is here koud.
Hier.
Okay. It is cold here.
Mijn moeder is daar.
I don't know how this is word order. This isn't showing me word order necessarily. My mother is there.
Ik ga nu.
Ik ga nu. So
Ga.
I'm going now. Okay. Got it.
Ik kom misschien.
I might be coming. I might be. Ik kom misschien.
Ik kom misschien.
Misschien.
Ze slapen nu.
Is it slap? She might be sleeping now. No, they are sleeping now. All right. We sometimes drink wine. So we drinking wine.
Soms.
We drinking some wine. You see me sometimes. So that would be yeah.
Ziet.
They
Mij. Soms.
je ziet me soms. Got it. All right, so this one is
We. Drinken. Soms. Wijn.
see, to me that would be like we drink some wine, but they're saying it's we sometimes drink wine. Be confusing for me. Well, that was pretty quick to get that first crown, guys. So let's do word order 2. We're gonna do this one as well.
Hier is jouw thee.
Here is your tea. Yes, yeah.
Hier is jouw thee.
Here's jouw tea. Oh. Speaking of tea, I have some tea. Not actually what I'm drinking right now, but I have some tea to make.
Soms zie je mij.
Soms zie je mij.
Soms zie je mij.
Sometimes you see me. I think. Oh yeah.
Misschien kook jij niet.
Maybe I don't cook. Misschien kook je niet. Let's see. Maybe you are not cooking.
Daar is zijn tas.
Daar is zijn tas. That is, there's your bag. There's his bag.
Nu ga ik.
Nu ga je.
Nu ga ik. Nu. Ga. Ik.
Nu ga ik.
Nu ga ik.
It kind of runs together. Huh? Nu ga ik.
Ga.
Okay, so now I'm going now? Or no? Now I am going. 5 in a row.
Nu slapen ze. Nu. Slapen. Ze. Nu slapen ze.
Nu slapen ze. That's now you're sleeping. Now they're sleeping.
Hier zijn jouw sokken.
Hier zijn jouw sokken.
Hier zijn jouw sokken.
Hier zijn jouw sokken. So here is your socks. Right? Here are your socks.
Soms drinkt iedereen water.
Soms drink iedereen water.
Soms drinkt iedereen water.
Sometimes
Iedereen.
okay, so sometimes everybody drinks water. All right.
Misschien ben je een eend.
Misschien ben je een eend. So maybe you are a duck. I think. Maybe. If you're a duck, hit like and subscribe.
Soms drinken we wijn.
Comment down below.
Soms drinken we wijn.
Soms is drinking with wine. With wine.
Soms drinken we wijn. We.
The
Wijn.
wine. All right, sometimes we drink wine. Ten in a row. Oh, it's amazing, it says.
Misschien kom ik.
Machine comic. So that's I, maybe, coming.
Daar zijn ze.
Got it. Daar zijn ze. So, there they are.
Hier ben ik.
Hier ben ik. So here I am.
Daar ben je.
Daar ben je. So there they are. No, there he Wait, what?
Ben. Daar.
There
Ben.
are
Je.
you. There you are. Okay. That one, I don't know why that one tricked me up for a second.
Nu is het glas leeg.
Nu is het glas leeg. So now the glass is empty. Sure is. Drank everything in it. Maybe he's sleeping. So,
Misschien. Hij slaapt.
Here she is. So,
Hier
yeah,
is
is
ze.
out. Yes. So this one is
Misschien. Slaapt hij.
I think it was this one. Machine slapped. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Level 1 crown on there, guys. All right, cool. So hit like, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any further episodes. I plan on just running this through. We're going to learn Dutch all the way through eventually, a lesson at a time. So, all right, take care, guys. Have a super fun, awesome day. I'll catch you in the next one. Later.